1. To check before replacement. Mobile phone battery data, 86%. 2. Disassemble and remove the old battery. 3. Remove the old battery cable. Using a soldering iron, solder off the battery cable board. Solder the new battery onto the original battery board. Five. Check battery data during installation. Still at the original 86%. 6. Install the battery external small board. 7. Power on to check battery information prompt. 8. Restart the phone. 9. Battery health and restart after charging. Maximum capacity 100%.